This MSI PRO Z890-S Wi-Fi motherboard offers a very solid platform for current Intel Core Ultra Series 2 processors with a modern LGA 1851 socket and robust power design for stable performance. Its support for high-capacity dual-channel DDR5 memory up to 256 GB makes it well-suited for demanding workloads like content creation and heavy multitasking. The inclusion of next-generation Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 delivers extremely fast and reliable wireless connectivity that feels ready for several upgrade cycles. Multiple M.2 slots, PCI Express 5.0 support, and plentiful serial ATA ports give you excellent flexibility for fast storage and high-end graphics cards. The rear panel offers high-speed 20 gigabit per second USB Type-C alongside 2.5 gigabit per second wired networking, which is great for quick file transfers and low-latency online work or gaming. Thoughtful touches like the pre-installed input-output shield and sensible ATX layout make building or upgrading a system with this board noticeably easier and cleaner.